Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. And this is Betty Boop's Boutique, which will undergo a major change, and that is why I wanted to share it with you the way it is now. It's very messy and it is very overwhelming in there. So I believe that I can make this space more functional, being that there are so many items in there and it got messy pretty fast. So just think about what's in here right now, and when you see it again, remember what you're seeing now. You will see a big difference. I hope that you will enjoy the changes that I will make in here, and stay tuned. And of course, thank you so much for watching.